Good luck. Snowball. Ooh. Cheers. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode here of Limon Crochets. Today I have probably a very interesting video for you all. An Advent unboxing, but it's not the kind of Advent you are usually accustomed to. There's this team dyer designer group called the ShannaJean Club. Every year for the past 2 years, they've already been doing this. This is the second year. They release a kind of Advent calendar to celebrate the end of the year as opposed to leading up to Christmas. And it's supposed to be an exercise of self-reflection and self-ponderance in terms of what you learned or what you want to grow from this year. What's really cool about it is they actually create this deck of cards, and in each of these cards there is a word or a theme or something that makes you think about what's on that card. And at the end of the Advent, you literally have a full deck of these self-reflection cards that you can use whenever you need as self-therapy or meditation, whatnot. And so this is the second year that they do it. Last year they did a rainbow theme attitude of gratitude Advent, which is really, really cool. There's a video on my channel where we unbox that with my girlfriend Ilse. This year's theme is over the moon. And so it is a moon Advent where you begin on today, which is December 1st, on the new moon of the month. And you work your way down the days, and on each of those days you're going to get a word that's associated with the phases of the moon, and it's meant for you, again, to reflect and to just analyze what it means to you. So let's go ahead and open this quick booklet. Let's go over the rules, the nitty-gritty of it, and then we're going to begin, and I'm going to unbox days 1 through 16 with you all. Insert here with Froggy here on the side. I'm gonna put a little cutout of what Froggy looks like as I'm recording. So if we open up this booklet, we get a little message. So I'm gonna quickly read the important parts to you all. It says, "Dear crafty friend, welcome to the second installment of the ShannaJean Advent-ish countdown to the end of the year. We started this journey in 2020 with our Attitude of Gratitude kit, which I mentioned was the rainbow kit, and quickly realized that opening up a package every day and knitting a project in community, or in my case crocheting, with others was as much fun to gift ourselves as it was to y'all. So for Over the Moon, we are delving into the phases of the moon as the basis for our countdown. Starting with the new moon on technically December 4th, but I'm doing it now, and working through an entire moon cycle. So each day in December 2021, participants will open an envelope and get a professionally printed Over the Moon card. The Over the Moon deck has been custom designed by the Knitted Wit team to reflect themes that are associated with different moon phases. Each moon phase card contains a word that embodies its moon phase. Much like the gratitude deck from 2020, participants are encouraged to reflect on each day's word. Either a mini skein, 10 grams, 45 yards, to incorporate into the full skein you get at the beginning of the month, or something extra like a bag of soothing herbal tea, or something from one of our crafty friends like A Needle Runs Through It or Squire Country Crafts. The featured pattern is Shattered Squire Super Fun Amazing Technicolor Dream Cowl, which is a great piece to wear as a gift. But we do something. Big hugs to you all. Thanks for being a part of the community. Laura Jean Kelly and Shannon Squire." Oh, and then if you keep going, it actually gives you like a written pattern of what's going on. And then it gives you a little about section of the team members who put this together. And there is kind of like a little glossary of the explanations of the words that are going to be on the moon phase cards. But if we're too confused about what it means, then I'll refer back to this. But as of this, we're done with that. And let's open up day number 1. I kind of opened day number 1 because I knew it was a full skein already. So excuse me for cheating. I just needed I needed to make sure the package wasn't broken or ripped, so, you know, whatever. I can do what I want. Let's go ahead and open day number 1 for the full skein. Check that out. But this is, if you don't know, she has a neon rainbow colorway called Radioactive, which was inspired by Madame Marie Curie. And this is essentially that, but with white spaces in between the color sections. Like, this is just a nice, hippie, trippy, neon, tie-dye rainbow kind of thing, which is really, really cool. And I think that's gonna go along with all the other colorways. And then we get our first card of Over the Moon deck. Look at that, nice and sturdy. It is a good plastic card. Cool. All right, so this is just explaining again what the deck is about, but let's move on to day number 2. Okay, so we got our card, and this is, how to use it. So intention, action, evaluation. So got a nice little explanation of that there. Very cool. So now we have 2 cards. And our first mini. Look at that. It's so bright. It's so purpley. And this is her Gems, which is a 75% superwash merino, 25 nylon. Color is foxglove. And so this is definitely that purple that most dyers released this year over the summer. I can't quite put a name to it. I know Hedgehog released a color in this way and spun right round. So for right now, we have these 2, which wish it was a little bit bigger because then you could get like a little stock set out of these. Day number 3. Oh. Wait, what? What is this? Labradorite? Oh, I got a stone! I'm like, wait, what? Labradorite, which symbolizes protection, bringing magic back into one's life, setting intentions, unleashing potential, and expanding the mind. That's really, really cool. Oh, really nice. Labradorite, very good. Day number 4. So we have a card with the word motive, right? I can't read cursive. Motive. Motive means, what is my motive? That's the question you're supposed to ask. Day number 5. Another card, purpose. Ooh, we got another yarn. Look at that. Nice and bubblegum pinky. This one is called Pink Flavor. Ooh. Day 6. Let's move on. We got 10 more days to go. Another card. Oh, plant. The word is plant. Plant. What can I plant physically and metaphorically to help achieve my goals? Oh, wait. There's a tiny one. Oh, I think I did get another rock. Hold on. Seed hearts. Plant these seed hearts after the spring thaw and enjoy watching wildflowers bloom. Plant within a year for best results. Oh, that's so cool. There's seeds in this thing. That's really cool. It's like it almost looks like a cardboard heart, but I can see them. I can see like through the ring light. I can see like little seeds packed in there. That's so cool. Oh, so apparently there's wildflowers in there. All right, day 7. Plot. Oh, I thought this said pot for a second. We got a little bag of tea of glazed lemon oaf, Tazo tea. Zoom in. There you go. Day number 8. Provision. Oh my God, that's funny that she used this word. I used to, my high school graphic designer name was called Provision Media. That's so weird that she chose this. Oh, and it came with a little stitch marker. Ooh, a little moon. It's a moon with hearts on it. Day number 9. Encouragement. Encouragement. Very cool. And we got a neon. Oh, a lot of these are like, that's a very hot pink. And it's called hot pink, but H-A-U-T-E. Almost there. Day 10. Oh, I thought this was a tattoo for a second. Sticker. Protection. 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 There we go. Protection. We got a nice, beautiful sticker of Over the Moon. Over the Moon by ShannaJean. Over the Moon. Day 11. Another rock. Inhale is the word for this day. And we have rose quartz, which is a heartstone, which symbolizes, it's a heartstone, healing, goddess energy, gentleness, love, abundance, and joy. Ooh, rose quartz. Remember, this is phases of the moon. This is not your typical Advent. This is a very metaphorical Advent, or how would you say it? A moon. Well, the moon is a rock. The moon is a rock, so, you know, one could argue that we're getting moon things, and, you know, they channel the energies of space and whatnot. Process. And we have another stitch marker. Can you guys see that? Half moon with some hearts on it. Very, very good. Very good. I guess the other one is going to be full moon. Day 13. 3 more days. 3 more days. Ooh. Movement is the card. Movement. Oh, that's a bright orange. Oh my god, this one's called Habanero. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's really, really nice. Check that out. Really nice. Ooh. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing my Starry Night ring in honor of this thing that we're doing. So far we have these colorways to mix in with this one, which that's actually pretty funky. Now that I got the orange, like it really balanced that whole thing out, because I was getting scared it was going to be very pinky. Day 15. Evolution. Evolution is the card, and it's a stitch marker. So we got one going to the left, and then now we have one going to the right. Day 16. Whoa, what is this? Oh, cool. I guess this is for your cover. If you're doing a moon journal, you place this as your cover. You can stick it on there. She had a photo of this on her Instagram. So this is, oh, it's a postcard. I didn't turn it around. That's cool. It has a stamp on it. Over the moon. And the card is expansion, which goes very well with this. You know, you gotta expand other people's horizons and share the love, the moony love. All right, so we're gonna cut this video short here, and I'm gonna record the other half now ahead of time, so that way I can actually get started with the project that I wanna do with them. Right now we have 4 of the 8 colorways that we're supposed to have. So we're working our way down in terms of a color palette, and it's supposed to be mixed with this full skein of yarn. And then we have our goodies, which include the sticker so far in 16 days. And we have our tea. We obviously have our deck of cards so far that we've opened, and a postcard, 3 stitch markers so far, And these are like plastic magnets, so they actually won't break, which is pretty cool. We have our seed hearts of wildflowers. And then we have our 2 rocks, which are very beautiful. I'm gonna make sure I put some of these in my pocket so that way I can absorb some of the energies walking around. So we have labradorite. Am I pronouncing that right? Labradorite. And rose quartz. This is cool. I wonder if I can like drill a hole and like make a necklace out of these or something. I wonder if I can drill a hole in these and use them as buttons. No? You can't drill a hole in these? Oh. Oh, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know what was your favorite part of this. Are you a rock person? Are you or crystal person? Do you like the deck of cards ideas? Are you just here for the yarn? Or are you one of those weird people that likes the tea bags and all of the advents that people get? Like, is that the only time you drink tea, when you get them in the advents? Let me know, because I know some people who never drink tea unless they're gifted tea, or at least they just receive it somewhere. Or are you here for the stitch markers? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like it and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, you guys, it's time for shout outs. Let's thank our members who made this episode possible. Let's go ahead and go down our Limon Influencer section. We got creations by Yankee Christina, Jilliam, Froggy Winna Knitting, Carrie the Yawny Elephant, Corey Schlereth, Blanca Valtierrez, Cocktails and Crochet with Coco, and Karen Miller. Thank you guys so much for your support. You guys are awesome. And let's go ahead and do our inner circle. We have Liz Miller, Fiberfloozy Crafts, Teresa DePap, Tamara Milliard, and Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome, and you make this experience, like I said, so exciting to do. And then a quick shout out to our Limon family. We got Raspberry Beret, Granny D, Knit Pearl and Squirrel with Granny D, Susan, Lisa, Rose, Amanda, and Lauren. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome. You guys really make this experience one of a kind, and I cannot wait to see what we have in store when we go live and when we put up new episodes. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.